Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today is the video about the sourcing criteria if you are using eBay as a supplier for your dropshipping on Etsy. So, as eBay is a very good platform to actually use it as a supplier because there are no account suspension issues if you're a buyer as a buyer, and eBay has the lowest prices also on its marketplace. So the criteria for eBay if you choose any product, that is, the product rating must be above 4, minimum 100 seller feedback. Like minimum, if you've seen that there is a rating of 4, you must also see that minimum 100 people gave that rating. Okay, if they are below 100 people and the rating is like 4 or above 4, you don't go for that product. Now the product must be on standard shipping. Also see that on AliExpress, whenever you buy the product, you will see in the description that there is a written note that this product provides standard shipping or express shipping or regular shipping. Make sure that the product must be providing standard shipping also. So that is the sourcing criteria for eBay. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.